Hey, this is Han, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that I picked up at a large Asian market on Aurora, down in the Seattle land area. It used to be Kmart, now it's an Asian family grocery. It's by Niudafang, and it's Lanzhou Ramen. It has cows on it. That means beef, generally. And it's got a couple sachets with it. Here's the noodles. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something you make a snow cone with? And it looks like a broth sachet. So the information is really light on this, but I think I know how to do this up. So I'm gonna drop this in and let the kind of do the boil with it. So here's our noodles. And I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna try at least. This is gonna be weird. Weird can be good. But feeling the amount of liquid in that sachet, I do believe that you add 300 mils of water to it. Which I just made in the microwave. Okay, where's my fork? And that's loud music, but I don't mind. There we go. And 1, 2 minutes. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit for you. And I'm gonna get out our holy book by Momofuku Ando Momofuku-san. The Momofuku Ando speaks. Quotes from the man who invented the instant noodle. Number 247. The Chinese character for eating consists of parts meaning person and good. Eating makes people good. So, it reminds me of a conversation I had with my brother yesterday. So he was talking about people that are like really centered and focused and in a good place. What they can do while they're eating a meal, every bite they have, they concentrate on the fact that for each bite, they mentally take note that they are eating it to make them healthier, which in turn will allow them to do more good things. That's like the whole idea. You're eating, you're sustaining your body so you can do good things, which I think is like fascinating. But then there's the problem is like if you were eating fish and you got a bone, your mind will immediately wander from that concept. You can only really think about one thing at once. You can't really multitask. You can't think of like, I have cheese. Oh, I need to go to the store. You can't, those are two separate thought processes. You can't do them concurrently. So the idea is that while you eat, you only concentrate on that one thing, which I find fascinating. It didn't work with pizza because I just forgot to do it. I thought about the pizza. I thought about watching *Halt and Catch Fire*. That's about it. Okay. So we've got this large sachet of liquid that's boiling, piping hot now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain this noodle. This is, after 3,800 reviews, I can kind of guesstimate how things are when recipes or directions are completely unknown to me. But it mentioned 300 mils of water, and it mentioned 2 minutes. So here's our noodles. Let's see. First, I want to know if these are done. This, is it done? I really should have checked that first. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, they need more time. Okay. So this is definitely going to need more time on the clock. Let's add this in and see what happens. Okay. Now, what does this smell like? That smells good. Okay, and it smells spicy. So I'm going to add 300 mils of really piping hot water. I honestly think it could use maybe like 3 more minutes. So I'm doing that. While that's happening, I'm gonna add in some sachets because I think that would make sense at this point. I could be wrong. All I know is that all of this stuff goes in at one point or another. Although it is possible that, I don't know, maybe adding that 300 mils of water was a big mistake, but I don't think so. Because it's showing as it like a pot of liquid. And images that I've seen of this stuff, this Lanzhou noodle, appears to be something that does have broth with it in videos that I've seen. I think it did. So we will see. There's a lot of sachets. I wonder what this one's gonna be. This is a vegetable maybe, or it could be something else. This smells like meat, but it's something pickled. It's fun because I have no idea what this is. What do we got here? Maybe some kind of green vegetable type thing. There's a lot of people that have mentioned how much they love instant noodles to have tons of sachets. Boy, you really need to check out the Chinese varieties that are coming in these days. Usually when I do a review, you know, like a pack of more veggies. When I do a review, generally I've got like the packaging, like a shot of the package, a shot of or a scan of the package, a shot of the so the product, the scan, the noodle block, and 1 sachet. That is like a pack of top ramen. And then if it's like something that comes with oil, that's 5 shots. If you've got like something like this one ended up being 10 file names. Like so 001 through 010 were just pictures of the packaging. And in this one, there was no like distributor sticker on it. So it's a trippy one. Okay, now I think these noodles are about done. So let's check this out. Smells good. I really hope I didn't screw up here. I don't think I did. I think we're good. We'll know real quick. Let's try this broth. Look at that. Wow-wee. I'm unsure. This one may not. It doesn't have like the deathly strong flavor I would expect. Noodles are definitely done now. It's interesting. I don't believe I've ever had any Lanzhou noodle before, so this could be right and different. I think this might be supposed to be a dry noodle. It's just not that strong. I will have to consult with an expert on this. That's somebody who can actually translate Chinese well. This is tough. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, what we got? Got some beef. It has a picture of beef on the front. Man, that's good beef. That came out really well. Oh no! Okay. Well, I screwed up on the last one. I forgot to use the little egg. I had a happy little egg that she made so many eggs this last batch that it's like, oh my god, I gotta use all these. I'm gonna use this little egg. Okay. Got some spring onion. I'm gonna go with black sesame seed today. Yeah, I'm gonna go with black sesame seed today. I'm gonna use the blonde too. Is that the correct term? I know it's toasted sesame seed, but they kind of have a blonde look to them. And of course, We're gonna use a little bit of pepper flake. And I think that is the crowning glory, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I want to use more of this onion. Like that. How's that? I think we're good. Enjoy the rotation for a moment until the next message from me. Alright, cool. So that's 2 out of 3, and I still have a whole hour. Wow. This is going to get some getting used to, but it's the good kind of getting used to having all this extra time on my hands to do review stuff. So the one you're going to see in tomorrow's whoop-de-doo is this wonderful stuff. This is Doll brand from Hong Kong. This is their artificial chicken flavor. Last time I had this was probably like maybe 8 years ago, and it was freaking to die for. So we'll see if it still fits that bill. And that's been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Tear your face off, rock.
Halloween Havoc.
From the angel's trumpets to your ears.
Smooth jazz.
This ain't your papa's rock and roll.
Gospel classics.
Crank it till your ears bleed.
Join us for classical days and jazzy nights.